Hello, friends. Good morning. It's the morning of 11th April. Why I am mentioning the date is that because yesterday, on 10th April, I had shared a video about updating the OSS data, especially the teachers' details, as per the CBSE circular, which was issued on 4th of April, saying that we have to update our teachers' details between 5th to 10th April. And yesterday, when I had shared that video and reminded the principals of CBSE affiliated schools that even the old teachers' details have to be updated along with the addition and deletion of the new and old teachers. So everybody felt very happy that I gave them a reminder on time and they could update those details. I kept receiving the phone calls pan India, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Haryana, Punjab, and people were very happy that I gave them reminder well within time when they could do the needful. In relation to that circular, CBSE has issued a fresh circular yesterday late evening, which is dated 9th April, and it's also signed by Dr. Sayam Bhardwaj on 9th April itself. I wish this circular would have come on 9th itself so that the principals who had to update the OSS data in hurry and who were sitting till late night updating the same would have felt relaxed and would have updated it on time. But anyhow, now the circular is out, and as you can see, the CBSE has clearly mentioned that the date of updation of OSS data has been extended up to 16th April 2021. But at the same time, they are saying all the schools are requested to complete the process within this date. Complete the process. Now focus on these two things: updation of OSS data and complete the process. So till yesterday, the phone calls which I was receiving, there were many queries about whether the remaining details other than teachers' data have to be updated on OSS or not. And at that time, I had told the principals, because they had the lack of time, so I told them to update the teachers' details on priority basis, and if not possible to update the other details, leave the other details, as the regular updation of OSS is supposed to be done during October when it is open for all before registrations of 9th and plus 1. So still there were doubts whether they should update or not, and they had to spend a long time in updating. And as I said, till late evening, principals were updating the details. But now I would suggest everybody that once CBSE is saying updation of OSS data and is requesting to complete the process, so we should all go for updating the complete OSS data now, right from the very first page till the last page. All of us should complete everything on OSS now, because we have time till 16th April. So from my side, best wishes. Take your time and ensure that everything on OSS is complete for your particular school. So keep watching my videos, subscribe to my channel, and share this video as much as possible so that it might be helpful for many other principals. Keep watching Principal Rasik Gupta. Thank you.